In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove watermark from CapCut. There are two ways to do it. If you open CapCut, you go to this setting icon. Go to this setting icon here. You click on it. If you click on it, you will go to add default ending. You can see it. You can see my own is off. Okay, you go there. If I click it now, it's on. But if I click it the other way, this have to off it. You click it, default, keep or discard. I will discard. So at the end of my video, the watermark does not come up. Another way is when you have imported your video, the video that you are editing. Okay, this is the video you are editing. The video is playing. If you get to the end, you can see this add ending. You click on it again, and you delete. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Also click on the notification button and help us share and like and leave a comment. We love to read your comments. Thank you.